Question is, find all the points of discontinuity of the function where function is defined by 2x plus 3, x is less than equal to 2, x greater than 2, 2x minus 3. Now we have two formula here. Limit x tends to 0 or a f of x equals to f of a, and with the left hand limit and right hand limit. Okay, so which formula we can use here, that we have to check. So in these, by these two way we can prove the continuity of the function, isn't it? But for which type of function we can use first formula, or second formula for which type of function we can use? For that you have to check here. See, less than 2, greater than 2, equal to 2. Three things are given here. Less than 2, greater than 2 means left hand limit and right hand limit you can find. So you should go with second one. Suppose sometimes they will give x is not equal to 2 and x equal to 2. For this type of function you should verify the first one. Okay, I hope it's clear now. So now here greater than 2, less than 2 is given. So what we will do, we will check limit x tends to 2 plus f of x equals to limit x tends to 2 minus f of x equals to f of 2. Okay, this we will check here. Now left hand limit, that is limit x tends to 2 minus any one expression you can find first, no problem. So here I am finding RHL, you also, that also you can find 2 plus. Okay, so 2 plus indicates that value of x is greater than 2. Now in which function a value of x is greater than 2, that you have to check, and that is 2x minus 3. Okay, so now we'll substitute here. See, after identifying the function which has x value greater than 2, so here no need to write 2 plus. Once you identify, so no need to write. Now we'll substitute the value 2 into 2 minus 3, that is 4 minus 3 equals to 1. So we'll name this equation as 1. Now left hand limit we will consider here. Limit x tends to 2 minus. Now 2 minus means x value will be less than 2. So in which function, from these two, in which function x is less than 2? So first function. See here, x less than 2. So limit x tends to 2, 2x plus 3. So what we can write here, limit, now after substituting value, no need to write limit, 2 into 2 plus 3, so 4 plus 3 equal to 7. So this will be your equation 2. Now we'll find f of 2 value. F of 2 means value of x is equal to 2. So in which of the function you can find x equal to 2? So this is equal sign, so x equal to 2 is in first function. So here we will write 2. So 4 plus 3, that is 7. So what you can observe here, function is discontinuous, isn't it? So we will write here from 1, 2 and 3, limit x tends to 2 plus f of x is not equal to limit x tends to 2 minus f of x is not equal to f of 2. Okay, therefore function is discontinuous at x equal to 2. Or else what you can write, function is continuous at every point except 2.